Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yuyan. We are going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I'm going to show you some of my favorite recipes that are pretty easy and simple. I've been doing a lot more cooking at home, which I am very proud of, and the meals are really tasty. So I definitely wanted to share that with you. First things first, we are going to make ourselves some breakfast. For breakfast, I usually like to keep it pretty simple. I don't have like a huge appetite in the mornings, so something a little sweet, a little savory. I love like a combination of both. What I have been making is either some yogurt with some berries or like eggs and some toast. Today I think I'm gonna do the yogurt, and I am going to do an avocado toast with some cherry tomatoes on top. Love a sweet and then savory kind of breakfast. Last bite. Just got home from running some errands. Super hungry. I think for lunch today I'm craving like some katsu. It's one of my favorite meals. So good and honestly pretty easy to make. So we're gonna do that, a little side salad and some rice. So I'm making the katsu with chicken breast, but you can also do it with pork. You basically just cover it with this, which is like breadcrumbs. It's called panko. Some flour, an egg. Super easy and tastes really good. Usually you can cook it on the stove with oil, but I'm gonna toss it in the air fryer today, which just makes things so much easier. I hate touching chicken. Hey, Kofi, no! It's my first time trying this flavor. White strawberry and coconut. Very refreshing. Alright, I am so excited to eat. Looks good. Let's do a crunch test. That's really good. This is literally just cabbage, but because of the sesame, toasted sesame dressing, it tastes so good. Are you falling asleep watching me eat? Killed it. It's like 3:30. I'm gonna make a little snack. This is more of like a summery snack, but I love having it all year round because it's like one of my favorite desserts and it just tastes so refreshing. So I have this giant pomelo over here. It's literally like the size of my head. A mango, some coconut milk, and some evaporated milk. We are going to make a mango pomelo sago. Taste test. It's good. Try it out. I put some sago in there as well. It's good. It's like an extra good mango smoothie. It is pretty much dinner time now. I'm about to make something that I've been craving for a while. It's a very special meal to me because my mom used to always make it for me. My grandma used to always make it for me. And it's really simple, honestly. It's just egg, tomato with noodles and soup too. This is a big bowl because I put in a lot of soup. I am excited. Let's try it out. Wait, let's try the soup first, guys. That's so good. There's like a few comfort meals to me that just remind me of childhood, and this is definitely one of them. I was such a picky eater when I was a kid, and this is like one of the few things that I just truly loved eating. Now that like I'm getting older, I'm just not that picky anymore, and I just eat honestly like anything. But this just brings me back to when I was a kid. This is not like the most optimal soup spoon. It was so good. I am sweating. Definitely really hit the spot. I am making some tea to end the night. This is the one that I've been really liking. It's called Blackberry Sage from the Republic of Tea. It smells really good too after you eat, and I think it is decaf too. But I really like it. It comes with like these little satchels, so really convenient. And I'm just making it on my smeg. So this is everything that I ate for today. I'm just gonna drink my tea and go to bed now. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you liked the recipes, and definitely let me know if you want to recreate any of them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.